Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, after the flash crash which we received about 2 days ago, the market was not able to make a recovery. There was a little bit of a rebound, but today another red day is upon us. Everything is down by about 7 to 8%, but if we talk about Dogecoin specifically, it's able to hold above the 14-cent support, which is very good, because if you pay attention, the trading volume is close to 800 million, still holding very strong. Even though Toncoin is in positive, Doge is still above. At the same time, the short-term bullish forecast is showing that we might be rising to 35 cents very soon. Almost 10 billion Dogecoin in 24 hours. What is happening? And Cardano creator suggests Dogecoin superfan Elon Musk owns 20% of the Dogecoin supply. Now, there is a lot to talk about today, but before we get into all of that, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just update to algorithm, push the video to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Now, something important that you guys should pay attention to. First of all, Doge is down 3% today. If you compare it to the overall market performance, Doge is actually holding on to its price a lot stronger than most of the altcoins. I mean, Brent is down 10%, Pepe 10, WIF 10, and you guys can also see that, you know, Render is down 10%, Bonk is another 10%. Everything is down quite a significant, especially if you talk about meme coins. Even Shiba is down 5%, but Doge is actually the least one that has lost its price. And there are some factors. First of all, short-term bullish forecast, the support close to 14 cents, I expect to rise to 35 to 35 cents. And if we get a daily close above 18 cents, that could lead to another further increase to 57 cents. So right now it is looking really positive for Dogecoin, especially if we compare it from what happened from February, which was the initial push. Right now we are actually sitting at a really crucial state. Even though we got the rebound, yes, there is a price break, but we will be actually carrying on this uptrend. We haven't broken below, just like some other major altcoins. I also want to mention almost 10 billion Dogecoin. Now this is really interesting. Dogecoin gained some strength on Onchain while price remains stagnant. Dogecoin continues to capture significant attention, this time it thanks to the growth of such on-chain value, as whale tier transactions and other are 10 billion being transacted in 24 hours, which suggests that there might be a bullish pattern forming very soon. At the same time, the Cardano creator is not happy. While, you know, Doge is clearly outperforming Cardano by a significant amount, they're throwing some shade on Doge, as the Cardano creator went on to say, maybe he's a legendary entrepreneur and no one can challenge him. He's a magical guy. He really is like a phoenix. Hard to understand his motivations and understand why he does this. Why does he have this bizarre fetish for Dogecoin? Is that he owns 20% of the supply? Was said by the Cardano founder. Now Hopkins, honestly, he's just trying to throw some shade onto Dogecoin, but he doesn't understand if more people stop paying attention to crypto, Cardano won't be doing some big numbers either. Now also, I want to show you guys the open interest. It's down 3%, but still holding very close to 800 million, which is very good, seeing that the market actually dropped such a significant amount. If we talk about liquidation, 2 million was liquidated from just the last 24 hours for long positions. At the same time, you guys can see that there is a lot of bullish patterns which are being shown on Twitter. I have been paying attention closely, and trust me, the tweets have been very positive. And while the market is down, you would want to invest in a token and get into it early. And the one I have been looking at personally is Base Dogs. Now, if you do not know, this is still in pre-sale stage. They have only raised about $1.2 million. Right now, the price is sitting at 0.05. They're going to be launching this meme token on a lot of different chains. I mean, it's going to be, you know, a multi-chain Doge. Now, at the same time, Now the tokenomics, you guys can see it's been done well, and they're about to start their promotion, and I really like the concept of how they have done this. You can see they have Brent, Pepe, all the really big memes, and then the Dogecoin, and they're all parachuting. I think that's just really interesting. And then the fact that they're going to be having an airdrop for the people who are, you know, early into the project, well, that's going to be really good, because airdrop gets a lot of the community excited. If you do want to check out this token, I'll link it down in the description. You can actually get in very early, and maybe in a couple of days I'll tell you they've raised over 5 million and your money would have already been 5x, and you can also just stake it away in the time. At the same time, RCI line showing in identical Doge bull run signs since 2017 to 2020. The market transfers money from impatient to patient, so hold strong. The market is about to take that shift. Now Mike says meme coins are good for the economy. Now, do I agree with him? And I actually do agree with him, because if you guys do not know, the 2020 bull run was actually run quite heavily just by the meme coins. Now the meme coins actually help more money to be flowing into the market, because there are going to be degens. When I say degens, those are the people who go to the casino. The casino industry is very big. Now you need to understand, those people, when they see some insane amount of gains from meme coins, they're going to put more money into crypto, and at the end of the day, the profit they're going to make is still going to flow back into larger altcoins such as Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Everything is going to be receiving more investment, and that's going to be the way the crypto industry can grow even larger. Now 326 million Dogecoin moved from Robinhood. Are the whales buying? Right now, let me tell you one thing, the amount of money that's flowing into Dogecoin is insane, and the easiest way to see that is the whole market is down so much, but Doge is only down 3%. Those are the panic sellers, but it's still able to hold its price so strong because there are a lot of whales which are buying this dip and making sure that the price stays above. Dogecoin price set for 20% rally. Now if there is a close below 12.8 cents, then this would not be working, but if there is not, there is so much potential for the Dogecoin price to go up. At the same time, Dogecoin co-founder supports a massive 56 billion Tesla payout to Elon Musk. Now this is really interesting, because Billy talking about how this is a good thing. I mean, honestly, it's really controversial, so I'm not going to make any statement. Dogecoin leads meme coin marked as the high risk in the crypto metrics report. Now the reason this has happened, and I wanted to mention this, is you guys need to understand there's always going to be risk with any crypto, but seeing that people are talking about how Dogecoin is stated as a high risk, other than Bitcoin, honestly, Bitcoin and Ethereum, everything is very similar. Even though they have a big narrative and stuff, there's always going to be a lot of risk, because when the money gets outflown into the market or out of the market, well, a lot of the money is going to go out. No, Donald Trump won't make Bitcoin great again, experts weigh in. I mean, Donald Trump has been talking about Bitcoin and crypto quite significantly, and you know, this could be a way for him to just get some attention and get the votes, but maybe he's not going to be part of it. And US Treasury expands sanction to cripple the Russian war economy. Now if that happens, that's going to be increasing the crypto, because Russians love that crypto. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.